If you're a healthcare provider who is just starting out, or you're looking to make a career change and you need to buy malpractice insurance, you might be wondering how soon should you start the process to make sure you can get the proof of insurance that you need. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how long it takes to get malpractice insurance set up and what steps you should take to get yourself going quickly and easily. We've got an overview of the process for you to get you credentialed right away, even if you're still a few months away from seeing your first patient. Stay tuned. Welcome to Malpractice Insights, the show dedicated to helping healthcare professionals understand medical malpractice insurance and providing you with the solutions you need so that you can get back to the work of practicing good medicine. My name is Jennifer Wiggins, CEO of Aegis Malpractice Solutions, and I'm so glad you've joined us today. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Thanks so much for being here. We release a new episode every week, both on YouTube and your favorite podcast streaming platform. So be sure to like and subscribe to stay connected. All right, let's jump in. When it comes to malpractice insurance, it can be a little confusing when you're trying to determine how soon to start shopping around and how long it will take for you to get covered. So let's start with the big picture. What's the process for securing malpractice insurance? The malpractice insurance application process is broken down into 5 phases. Number 1, select an agent. Number 2, obtain quotes and review your coverage options. Number 3, complete an application. Number 4, review your offers and bind coverage. And number 5, pay your premium. The quickest way to get malpractice insurance is to go straight to the company that you want to buy from. For example, if you know that you want to work with ProAssurance, simply fill out a ProAssurance application and submit it to the carrier through your agent. They will work with the underwriter to answer any questions, and then you'll get a quote that you can review and bind coverage. This process can be completed in just a few days. But while this is the quickest way to get malpractice insurance, it's probably not the right process for you. Most doctors don't really know which carrier is best, and in order for you to get a clearer picture of the market and really understand your options, we recommend a more methodical approach. Instead of just applying with the first carrier that comes to mind, use an agent to get premium estimates from multiple carriers so that you can review all of your options and then apply with the carrier that you select. Instead of a few days, this might take you 1 to 2 weeks, but it's a more comprehensive approach and you'll sleep better at night knowing that you've done your due diligence in finding the right policy at the best price. It's generally recommended that you contact an agent 4 to 5 months before you anticipate seeing your first patient. This gives you time to discuss your plans to determine which policy type is right for you, how much insurance you may need, and it allows the agent to give you some preliminary premium estimates to help you budget. After the agent has collected all of the quotes, they will present them to you and talk to you about the various options, explaining the premiums, the differences between carriers, and the choices that you can select from. This is a good time for you to decide if you're interested in occurrence or claims-made coverage, and to determine what policy limits you would like for your new insurance policy. Your agent can provide you with quotes and pricing scenarios for several different options. Once you have selected the carrier that you'd like to proceed with, you will need to formally apply. Your agent can assist you in completing the application and then sending it to the company's underwriting team for review. It typically takes 3 to 5 business days for an underwriter to review your application, collect any additional information that they need, and then render a decision. Most malpractice insurance carriers can approve applications up to 90 days before the policy is actually set to start. So if you need to adjust your coverage effective date after your policy has been approved, it's okay to request a change. Once your application is approved, the carrier will issue you a bindable quote with formal terms for your consideration. At this time, you'll be able to review the offer from the insurance carrier and decide if you'd like to accept the policy and bind coverage. Once you bind, a policy number is generated and your agent will provide you with proof of coverage, typically with a certificate of insurance. You can use this certificate of insurance for credentialing or any other proof of insurance needs until your full policy is received. Most insurance carriers do not require premiums to be paid at the time of binding. You generally have 30 days from the start date of your policy to make payment, and most insurance carriers offer payment plans or financing options if you need to split up the payments over the year. If you find yourself in a situation where you just need some quotes, but you aren't ready to apply for coverage yet, contact a knowledgeable malpractice insurance agent to start discussing your options. We frequently talk to doctors who are considering options for the future but just aren't ready to formally apply yet. An agent can help you confidentially explore coverage options and get some premium estimates for you to make your plans. As a general rule of thumb, plan on at least 30 days to get your malpractice insurance set up. But if you find yourself in a pinch and you need coverage sooner than that, an experienced agent can speed up the process for you. If you have any questions on this topic or you want to make sure that you're covered appropriately, click the link in the description box below where you can connect with us via phone, email, or chat today. And if you're listening, please visit us online at aegismalpractice.com. That's AEGIS malpractice.com. We've got some great episodes lined up for you in the next few weeks. Make sure that you're subscribed to our show so that you don't miss an episode. And if you found this information helpful today, could you do me a favor and give us a like and leave a review? Your feedback and support helps us to reach more people, and we really are so grateful for your clicks and for your kind words. That's it for this episode of Malpractice Insights, where we're dedicated to helping you understand medical malpractice insurance and providing you with the solutions you need so that you can get back to the work of practicing good medicine. This is Jennifer Wiggins. Thanks for joining us.